everybody, it's Colleen and Ryan.
Woo!
Here at Horne Auto Center. Today, we're gonna highlight a certified pre-owned. What are we looking at today, Ryan?
All right, so on certified pre-owns, you get some extra benefits that you do not receive on a normal pre-owned vehicle. One of the first things you do get is a 172-point inspection of the vehicle. What else, Colleen?
Oh, you get 12,000 miles, 12 months added to what was left on the bumper to bumper.
You also receive an additional powertrain warranty up to 100,000 miles in 6 years instead of the 5-year 60,000 miles. Also, 2 free oil changes included with your purchase of a certified pre-owned.
Isn't that more than you get with the new one?
It actually is. So we do have a great selection of certified pre-owns on our lot. If you're looking for a truck, car, or SUV, come on down to Horne Auto Center. See us here on the Deuce of Clubs.
And let us park a Chevy in your driveway today.